Due to budget constraints and other factors at play, the nation of Norway does not field a terribly large naval force when compared to global powers like the United States, Britain, and France. With that said, the Royal Norwegian Navy is forced to skillfully invest in a few key programs of quality to promote a viable ocean-going force that also supplies the country with its coastal protection. Its primary naval arm is made up of advanced frigates supported by a collection of modern submarines, and, beyond this, there are the usual mine warfare vessels, support ships and various boat squadrons to contend with most inbound naval threats. When thought was given to updating the then current crop of high-speed patrol vessels, the Navy adopted an advanced, stealthy model through the Project SMP 6081 initiative. This begat a sleek boat of glass fiber, carbon composite makeup arranged in a catamaran-style hull configuration for low drag, high-speed performance. The stealth nature of the design came from applying radar-absorbent materials through an anechoic coat. Beyond this, the ship's appearance relied on utilization of many facets, a quality of stealth craft made popular by such developments as the American Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter. The finalized product was given dimensions that included a 156-foot length, a 44-foot beam and a 3.3-foot draft. The latter quality of note, for it allowed the vessel to operate in extremely shallow waters like those seen closer to the shoreline. The boat carried a 4-engined arrangement comprised of two Pratt & Whitney ST-18M engines paired with two Pratt & Whitney ST-40M turbines which, when coupled to the catamaran hull, allowed for speeds reaching well over 60 knots in testing. Operational ranges reached some 920 miles. The typical operating crew numbered about 14 personnel. Beyond its impressive appearance, the vessel showcased some more conventional design traits seen in other patrol boats of this size. The bridge was held high about its superstructure for a commanding view of the surrounding action and was clearly identified by its row of large, radar-reflecting window panes. A ladder-type bipod mast was erected just aft of the bridge proper and held a swept-back appearance. Ahead of the superstructure was fitted the turreted cannon, though, beyond these obstructions, the top deck of the vessel was left largely clean and devoid of the usual patrol boat protrusions and obstacles. Indeed, even the access hatches and windows were made flush so as to play along with the boat's inherent stealthiness. The class was ultimately adopted as the Skjold class and would comprise 6 total boats. The first became Skjold, launched on September 22, 1998 and formally commissioned on April 17, 1999. Skjold, and all of the boats of her small class, retain an active service status within the inventory of the Royal Norwegian Navy. The class succeeded the outgoing Hawk class of surface ships appearing from 1977 until 2001, and 14 of these patrol boats were ultimately commissioned. The Skjold class boats were all constructed by builder HNoMS of Mandal, Norway. Beyond its stealth qualities, the Skjold is well recognized for its impressive armament fit. Its arsenal is led by 8 Kongsberg naval strike missile surface-to-surface missile systems which are kept in an internal bay prior to launching and provides an effective ranged measure against enemy surface ships that goes beyond the conventionally fitted hardware, namely the Italian Midotio breeder super rapid 76mm turreted deck gun. Aerial threats can be countered through man-portable, shoulder-launched MBDA Mistral surface-to-air missiles as deployed by the operating crew, and additional defense comes from the installed M151 Protector remote weapon system, which is of a local design with support by the French concern of Thales Group. onboard processing systems and sensor equipment is headed by the Thales MRR 3D Air Surface Radar System, the Celsius Tech Zeros 2000 FC unit, and the Sagom VG20 series electro-optical sensor suite.